Hi guys, and welcome to another awesome fix with Mommy Sam. If you are new to my channel, I'm Mommy Sam Pigleta, and I'm a mommy vlogger, blogger, live streamer, and also an event organizer. And meron pang bago, certified voice artist, guys. Kaya very much related ito sa binili ko from Lazada. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click the subscribe button there, below, or here pa. And the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa mga future uploads ko. So as you can see on the title of this video, I will be unboxing products here from Maono. So Maono is a product na nire-recommend ng mga live streamers, mga nagpa-podcast, or anything na kailangan mo ng gadget for your voice. So ayun na nga guys. And I'm not sure if this is the video na mauuna or yung video ko na nilet go ko yung laptop ko, yung old laptop ko guys. And nung nilet go ko yung laptop na yon na I had for 9 years, ito yung kapalit niya. After this part, I will be showing you guys yung headphones naman ng Maono. Kasi medyo na-late siya ng dating. So, nauna itong dalawang to. Kailangan ko ng i-video. So, let's start with the sound card that I bought. Here you go. So, I'll flash on the screen kung saan ko siya nabili. Here, kung ano yung shop. And I'll put in the description box below yung link nung product na ito. Okay, so first impression ko sa packaging pa lang. Ang ganda ng packaging na Maono, guys. Kasi tignan nyo naman. Black and yellow, black and yellow. So, this is the Maono caster light. Actually, I didn't plan to buy this at first. Pero, naisip ko nga na since I'm doing live stream and I plan to do podcastings, I would really need this sound card. I already had the V8 sound card, pero if I'm going to step it up a little bit with the quality of my output sa mga voice and sa mga live streams, I need to level up din sa gadget because the V8 sound card, it's okay, but syempre, alam nyo naman, since mura yung V8 sound card, quality is mura din. So, ayan, this is the Maono caster light and it says Professional Audio Innovation. Ang ganda ng packaging ng Maono, diba? And this is the AU-AM200 there, Portable Podcast Console. And it says here, 2 people live streaming, stream up to 4 platforms. 8 hours battery life. So, you don't have to use this nang nakasaksak siya. And you can use it nang hindi nakasaksak. Syempre. Packaging itself, tignan nyo naman. Ang glossy ng part na to, yung sa product. And matte type naman, yung sa box niya. Dito, yung mga details niya kung ano yung dapat mong isaksak, PC, phone. Okay, ang dami. Ang dami. And then, another set of headphone or earphone. Okay, this is a lot of slots. Okay, so nandito yung mga specifications niya and also the features. Okay, so diba usually sa mga unboxings na mga ganito, they put you a little closer so that you can see what's really inside. But this time, I want you guys to be with me on this na makikita niyo yung reaction ko pag open ko. Kasi, alam nyo na, vlogger. Hindi naman ako tech vlogger. So, dito yung open niya. There. Okay. So, what do we see here? We have the user manual. There. In fairness, makapal ang user manual niya. Ang ganda niya, guys. Okay, I will do a quick montage for you guys. Ang ganda niyan tignan, parang ayokong tanggalin sa box. Oh my gosh. Okay. This doesn't look cheap at all. I'm gonna flash here sa screen kung magkano ito, guys. Looking at it, it's actually magaan. Magaan naman siya. But, if you can see, sobrang smooth ng pagkakagawa sa kanya or ang ganda. Ang sleek ng design niya. So, dalawa siyang 3.5mm TRRS audio cable. And then we have the mobile device adapter. There you go. Then we have USB-A to USB-C cable. So use when connects to a computer or charging. So, itong dalawang to, we have the microphone volume control and this is the accompaniment volume control. So, it says here, music. So, dito, as you can see, makikita nyo yung volume ng mic nyo dyan and then also the music. Iilaw yan later. So, you can see here the echo. Ma-adjust nyo rin siya. The monitor. There you go. And these are the sound effects. So, there are 8 sound effects here. And for this one naman, you can customize it. Napanood ko sa isang YouTube review na ito yung mga buttons na mako-customize mo yung gusto mong sound effects. Then we have here the effect, pitch, music only, denoise. Ito, gusto ko itong matry later, yung denoise. And then loop back and then side chain. We have the monitor here. Itong monitor na to, ito yung magiging output sa headset mo. Pag gusto mong marinig yung sarili mo, ito yung output sa monitor. Ikaw lang ang nakakarinig nun. So the other adjustments, like for example, your mic and the music, sa mga knobs na ito yun. So I have a lot of stuff to learn because there are a lot of buttons then here. Itong 3 knobs na to, it has low, medium, and high. So, ito sa boses mo daw na adjustments. I have yet to find that out because that's very technical. Recording volume control knob naman. So, this knob controls the volume of the sound output to the live broadcast and the user can adjust accordingly. So, here you go. Okay, the next product that I will be unboxing is this. So, this is the condenser podcasting microphone. Ang ganda niya, diba? Ang ganda ng box, super social. And this type is the EU-A03 there. So, you can see what kind of product is inside. Very glossy din tong part na to. And then matte yung background niya. Then at the back, we have the frequency response, polar pattern, a lot of details, product details about this. Kung ano din yung mga parts. So it's just the same on how to open it. It's like this. And then, whoa! Sandali, hindi ko makita. Okay, so we have the, of course, user manual. Ito manipis lang yung user manual niya, as in, isang ganyan lang, guys. Okay, so, nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag dito. Flash ko na lang sa screen, guys, ha? Ayan. Then, we have the pop filter. It doesn't feel cheap. This is the pop filter. And then, there you go. Then, we have the shock mount. Itong shock mount na to, it doesn't feel cheap din. And, maganda yung quality ng shock mount niya. Then, we have here the table clamp. There. So, ito yung cable para sa cable, syempre. So, this is the microphone stand. There. This is the microphone cable. So, and we have the Y adapter. Ayan. So, lalagay mo lang, saksak mo lang to sa phone and the other one is for the microphone and the other one is for the headset. So, if you want to have or record a good quality on video or audio on your cell phone, ito yung gagamitin mo talaga. Here we go! The microphone! Ayan siya, guys. So, nakabalot siya, diba? So, this is what it looks like. Hindi mo na pinakita sa inyo, di ba? Ako muna yung titingin, saglit lang. Ganda. Ang ganda niya. Matte yung color niya. And it's light lang naman. Hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. So, ayan. This is what it looks like, guys. Ang ganda. Okay, this is very social for its price. Kasi mura lang talaga itong set na to, guys. Yan, there. So, yun sa microphone cable. Ganda. So, ang last product na papakita ko sa inyo, guys, different setup na tayo kasi late dumating ito. Pero within the day lang naman na nag-shoot ako. So, ayun, maingay na sa labas. Gising na lahat ng tao, kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa kwarto. Ang last na dumating ay itong Maono headset. This is the AU-MH501. There you go. And sabay-sabay natin itong bubuksan. So, on the side, it says here, studio headphones. So, may mga details dyan. And then, on the other side, ang ganda na itsura niya. So, same as I've said before, dun sa ibang boxes ng mga products nila, glossy yung picture ng product and then matte yung finish ng mismong box. Ang social talaga ng box nila, no? Black and yellow. I love it. Okay, so nakalagay pala dito sa kabila is it has foldable design, 50mm driver, soft earmuffs, and high resolution. On the back part naman, we have the description and specifications. And then mga hertz, camera, wala akong alam dun, guys. Okay, so mabilis ang unboxing lang ito. Hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh! Alam nyo guys, before ko ito buksan ha, nakikita ko sa ibang unboxing ng same product. Iba yung box niya, puti. And then, nakalagay lang siya sa parang cloth sa loob. But this one, it's actually, look ko. Ooh! Sharon! Oh, baliktad ko yun. Yay! So, of course, we have a manual inside. Ang ganda, guys! Whoa! This is by far the most social headphones na meron ako. Okay, so we'll remove this. This is the cord pala. Ayan. So, parang, hello? Hello, telephone. Okay, so yung feeling niya, medyo mabigat siya ng konti. May bigat siya. And, tingnan nyo naman, sobrang ganda ng design niya, guys. And matte yung finish ng headphones niya. It has a foam here on top. May mesh din siya dito sa side na to. Yan, you see it. And it's, as I've seen in the video, there, it's foldable like this. Tapos yung cord niya is parang sa landline sa telephone. It has a huge jack. Itong headphones na to, meron siyang double audio plugs and unscrew nyo lang tapos makakita kayo na mas maliit na version. Naiikot yung ano niya ng ganyan. And bumabalik. Nakita, tingin nyo. See? And let's try it out. Oh, okay. Tugs, 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 tugs. Party, party! Woo! Pwede pa ako paging DJ, guys. Anyway, ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh, this is super social. Comfortable naman siya. It actually is. And talaga makifeel mo na talagang enclosed yung tenga mo dito. I love it. So that's it for the unboxing part. Let's proceed to kung paano ikabit or i-set up lahat. First is ikabit natin yung table clamp. Screw type lang siya, so make sure it's secured. And then lagay natin tong microphone stand and i-lock din natin siya. Next is itong shock mount. Screw type din siya. Ikot-ikot nyo lang, make sure it's locked. Then for the microphone, dapat nakatapat sa inyo yung brand name na Maono. Then, insert nyo lang yung clamp. Clamp type siya. Then, make sure it's secured. Tapos, next is, ikabit na natin tong pop filter. Dito lang siya sa area na yan ikakabit. And adjust nyo lang siya accordingly. Tapos, ayan. You're done. But, wait, there's more. Add natin or ilagay natin itong anti-wind foam cap. Tapos, ilagay na rin natin itong microphone cable. There you go. Ito namang Velcro para lang hindi makalat yung cable. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did and excited din kayo sa pag-unboxing ko and sa pag-test nito. So again, guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video if you really liked it and share it to your family and friends if they are planning to get this same setup that you saw earlier. And you can also click the notification bell if gusto nyong ma-notify sa mga future videos ko. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next ones. Bye!